Hi, I'm Debbie Weller with the Weller team at eXp Realty, and I'm here today at 2 Oscelot Court, and it's a beautiful end of day here. It's starting, the sun's going down, and I just want to share this home with you because there are so many great things about it. These people have been here for 3 years. They actually bought this home when I sold it before, and let me show you all the great things they've done. But one of the things here is you're on a corner lot here, and we are in Ormond Lakes, and right over here you've got, they put in this nice fence. They have dogs, and they put in the bushes for privacy. And then they live on a court, and just beyond the homes down there is a nice lake. It's Ormond Lakes that we're in. There are lakes in the community, but come on in. Let me take you around and show you some of the great things. This is a 2004 built. This is actually a former model home. You'll see it's got the pavers coming up to the front. We're going to come inside, but you're going to see what they've done. They have done a lot in the few years they've been here, and this is going to be somebody else is going to gain the benefit from it because they are just going to be closer to their daughters, still staying in Florida. So when you come in, you've got this great room almost. Now in this floor plan, this area could be intended to be a dining area. The wife loves music and has this beautiful piano, so they decided to do that. Now, you'll see this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, but it's 2,200 plus square feet. So sometimes we want an office. A lot of, COVID ended up, we started working from home. You could close this in and have maybe an angled door and make this a private office space, because you'll see you could turn this over here into your dining area if you wanted. This could be the living room. They love to entertain, and check this bar out. I've got a martini there ready for later when we're done. But, and then you can kind of see through. This has all new windows all the way through. And so you've got these triple 8-foot sliders, and we'll show you the pool in a little bit. But while we're here, we've got the master over here on this side. And what I love about this room, it's about 20 feet in length, and you've got another set of slider doors out to the pool. You can see out. They love their room cold at night. So not only did they put a new heating and cooling system, the central heat and air through the whole house, you'll see they added a mini split into this room. So it's just a lot more sensible, economical. And then the blinds, they've got all the blinds, and the blinds are actually on remotes in some of the rooms, the mini blinds. So this bathroom, you've got a pocket door coming in, and all just nice neutral colors through here. You've got a linen pantry there, and then this is a nice walk-in closet. You've got the double vanity. It's raised height with a little makeup area if you wanted to do that. You've got your shower, again, all neutral colored tile, and then you've got the corner garden tub with a little seat. It does have the frosted window, but they've added the plantation shutters too. You've got a private commode closet as well. There is tall ceilings inside the closet as well, and you've got attic access through the master closet ceiling. So we will come through and see, and you'll notice the floor, they've got the plank flooring here through most of the living areas. They did keep tile in your wet areas, so in your bathroom and your kitchen. You've got a storage closet here. This takes you into the kitchen, which they have completely redone this with all new beautiful cabinetry. They've got the quartz countertops. They went ahead and replaced and took out all those old soffits and went with 42-inch uppers. One of the things that a lot of people, we do not find these in a lot of homes in Florida, gas range. So they had to have their gas range, so they did get that run through here. There is a buried tank out in the yard that services that. The hot water heater is also on that. You don't find this often. They're just one of the people that love this, and being here using this today, very cool, trash compactor. So we've got that. There is a pantry behind the door here, nice new fridge. All these appliances here are the GE profile, and they're all new, just like everything. So coming back, you've got a casual dining area here, and then access out to the pool. Before we go there, let's just take a look. You've got this family room back here. So I love it's got the peaked ceiling, but lots of natural light. Again, they've got the power blinds. They decided to put this nice big window here, so look at the view you've got. And the sun it's fall in Florida, so it's getting dark early, so we're losing the sun. But you can see this is just a nice bright room. And then these cellular shades, just energy efficiency is so great here. And then these beautiful new sliders coming out to the pool. They've had work done out here. They actually, the pool screen cage, it's a brand new cage and screen, and it does have a brand new roof, gutters. I'll go over a little bit more of the list of things. So the, I think these are ligustrum shrubs that create a nice bit of privacy. And then if we peek outside here, you'll see that they did the same. So they put the fence up, the nice aluminum fence, and then they've done the same here in certain areas. So you're really totally private back here. And it's a great place for your dogs to come and hang out. Even though my dogs like to hang in the AC all the time, you know. But the pool, we should have this on, but we don't. But there's a waterfall that spills out of the spa down into the pool area. And this here is just to check the water. So when your water gets low, if you're traveling or out of town, it'll keep it full so you don't burn up your motor. And then just out here, you can see, again, there's a little bit of landscaping. A place to put your grill outside here as well. And there's something I'm going to show you I'm saving to last that I love about this house. It is very special. So we're going to just step up. Let's go fast. Get through here. And now we're going to enter your guest area. So you've got, right here, we've got one guest bedroom. And what I like about this, I'm not going to open the closet, but it does have a walk-in closet as well. And then coming down the hall, you've got this bathroom here. And what I love about this bathroom is that it's just a little bit wider than most. It's not as small, and you do have the raised vanity. Again, everything's nice and neutral colors, and the way this house is decorated, I wouldn't be surprised if somebody wanted to buy it furnished and decorated. But just another linen closet. And then back here is your third bedroom, but what's nice is this is also a great space for an office. So you've got, you know, the area in front if you wanted to build one in, but if you want to have this, it just depends on how many people are living in your home. So let's go through, and I'm going to go through the laundry room here. So just got some built-in cabinetry. There is a laundry sink, you'll see. And then we're stepping into the garage. Look at this beautiful epoxy floor. You've got a brand new gas hot water heater, new in 2021. It does have built-in cabinets that will stay. Remember I told you this was a model home. So because it was a model home, they had this screen here and it was left, and it's a really great feature. Oh, it's open. See, it's a phantom screen. It's a phantom. I didn't know it was there. Let's step out. So anyhow, but what I want to show you is right here, if I can get to the gate. So check out this driveway though. What's really nice is you can back out, you know, back out and drive forward out instead of having to back out and navigate all of that. Not all of us are great drivers and we do crazy things, but this is a Meyer lemon tree. If you know Meyer lemons, they're the best. And so it did get hit by the frost, but it's coming back. And the previous owners, there was like, they had the biggest lemon, and I've got record of it. It was 12 inches for the circumference of it, which was really cool. So, and there's a detox. I drink every morning this detox drink. So I wish I had one of these trees in my yard, because you take half a lemon, you squeeze it in a cup of 20 ounces of water with some Himalayan pink salt and 1 tablespoon of Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Rehydrates you in the morning after a long night's sleep. So anyways, that's my little Live Life Weller tip for today while we wrap up this tour here at 2 Oscelot. And just come check it out. Contact us. We'd love to show it to you. Or if we're not your favorite realtor, call your favorite realtor and have them show you today. Thank you for viewing.